Yeah, I think this is better. I was trying to rush so I thought, well, slow it down and break it up into two parts. So do these two rows, turn it off, do the two rows, and then turn it back on. Okay, I tried to trick you here. This negative has nothing to do with the power, so no flippage. Negative 4 and 5 is minus 20. X6, x is 7 is x to the 13th. Then y to the 18th. Here, when you have a base to a power, then you raise it to another power, you multiply. Yoo-hoo! And this one, again, this is not a power. So it's a negative cubed is negative. Odd power on a negative is negative. Even power on a negative is positive. So this would be minus 27. This one, when you have a product to a power, you raise both to that power. So it'd be x to the negative 24th, y to the 12th. But hey, a negative power got to move it down. Woohoo. This one, a lot of ways to do this problem. You can simplify inside and then worry about this, or worry about this and then do the inside. I'm going to take this power first. So bring both to that power. So x to negative 6 to the negative 10 would be x to the 60 over x to the negative 40. But a negative means move it. So move this on up, it'd be x to the 100. This one just cube both things, so it's 27 over 64. This one, reduce it. So coefficients, you reduce it like we always did fractions. 5 goes into both, so that'd be 4/3. Bigger one's on the bottom, so you subtract these 6 from this, it'd be x 11. Then one of these cancels with one of those, so it'd be y to the 9th. Okay, so go ahead and do the next two rows there. There. Okay, anything to the 0 power is 1, so this is gone. Y to the 10 to the 4th is y to the 40th. Woohoo! So, negative power, bring it on. Down. No negative power, leave it alone. Negative power, bring this up. And then x to the 10th. And when you have two things multiplied together, you add the powers. So it's y to the 12th over x to the 16th. Okay, this one. Oh, this is a product to a power. You raise both. So it's x to the 18th. Y to the negative 30, x is 7th, y to the 11th. So both positive, so you divide. When you divide two things, you subtract, so it's x to the 11. This one needs to come on down, so it's y to the 11th, x to the 30th on the bottom. I'm sorry, y to the 30th on the bottom, so that'd be y to the 41 on the bottom. Here, when you have base to a power to another power, you multiply. So x to the 30th times x to the 44th. That'd be x to the 74th. Now, I thought we'd practice a little bit more with polynomials. So we need to distribute this to every term. That's what next to parentheses means. So it's 15x to the 11 plus 25x to the 10th. Plus 15x to the 9th. I left the plus out. Oh, we got binomial times binomial, boss. So you need to FOIL. So that would be 15x squared minus 18x plus 10x is minus 8x. And minus 6 times 2 is minus 12. This, when you got a sum or difference to square, you write it twice to make it nice. So that would be 4x squared plus 2x and 2x is 4x. 1 and 1 is 1. Oh, boss. Now, I'll probably have a binomial times a trinomial on tomorrow's test, but you know how to do that. Now this one, thought we'd do another scientific notation problem. Now, if this was a real fraction, 4x, then you'd say 4 goes in 8 twice, it's on the bottom. But since it's scientific notation, you got to go 0.5. Then, when you're dividing two things the same base, you subtract. So it's minus 6 minus 4, so times 10 to the negative 10. But wait, I got to have a number between 1 and 10, so it'd be 5.0 times 10 to the negative 9. Whoa, that is tired. So I don't know if I got that in by 7 o'clock, but that's a nice little review, trying to challenge you a little bit here and there. So, hey, have a good day. Hey, let's do random hug. The next person that comes down the hallway, just grab and hug them. Whether it's your dog, your grandma, your mom, I don't care. Grab and hug. Grab and hug. Hey, have a good day. See you tomorrow.